Whether you've been wrenching for 1 year or 20, you likely know exactly what a failing water pump sounds and looks like. You might hear a distinct bearing growl from the front of the engine block, or maybe you've spotted that crusty, dried up coolant trickling down the front cover. Diagnosing it is usually the easy part. The hardest part of the job is making sure the replacement doesn't come back. Comebacks kill your flat rate time, they frustrate the customer, and they are usually totally preventable. Welcome to Motor Age Tech Tips. Today we're talking about thorough water pump service tips and exactly how to avoid comebacks. Let's start with the diagnosis. Before you drain the system, do a thorough visual inspection. Pressurize the system and check for leaks. Check the weep hole. It's there specifically to let you know when the internal shaft seal has failed. If it's wet or crusty, the pump is done. Next, grab the water pump pulley and give it a firm wiggle. If there's any play whatsoever, your bearing is shot. But don't stop there. Take a close look at the belt tensioner and idler pulleys. A failing tensioner can put extreme side load on a water pump, destroying a brand new bearing in record time. If the tensioner is bouncing or the pulley bearing feels rough, replace it while you're in there. Once you get the old water pump out, take a minute to figure out why it failed. Was it just old, or is the system full of rust, scale, and contaminated coolant? You should always flush the coolant system anytime you service it. But if the old coolant looks like mud, you absolutely must flush the block and heater core before putting the new pump in. Otherwise, all that abrasive debris is going right into the seal of your brand new part. That brings us to choosing your replacement part. A water pump job is often labor intensive, so when you finally get the old one out, you need to be absolutely certain the new one is built to last. You want a part that delivers OE flow alongside aftermarket value. I recommend using high quality new parts like B-Pro Auto water pumps. When you take a new pump out of the box, inspect the housing closely. You want a part that is 100% new with no welds and no weak points. These B-Pro Auto water pumps are built for strength and durability from 100% new cast aluminum and iron, formed as one piece with no welds. Now let's talk about the internals you can't always see. The impeller does all of the heavy lifting in the cooling system. Choosing a pump with a precision-balanced impeller improves water flow, reduces stress on internal components, and extends bearing life. And to handle the relentless vibration of the accessory drive, you need case-hardened bearings for high load capacity and improved tolerance to imbalance and vibration. You want to know they are tested for bearing noise and durability before you ever put a wrench to a bolt. Here's the biggest tech tip for the installation: surface prep. You can have the absolute best water pump in the world, but if you don't clean the engine block perfectly, it's going to leak. Take your time. Use a gasket scraper carefully so you don't gouge the aluminum block. Some water pumps are sealed with RTV silicone, and it's crucial to remove all traces of residual RTV from the mating surface and bolt holes. New RTV will not seal on old, cured RTV, and bolt holes filled with this stuff can and will crack the block when tightening the bolts. Once your block is perfectly clean, you can install your new pump. When you're bolting it down, always check the service manual for tightening sequence and use a torque wrench. Over-tightening can warp the housing or snap a bolt, turning a 2-hour job into a 2-day nightmare. Finally, when you wrap up the job and fill the system, take the time to bleed it properly. Check with the service manual to find the correct process for filling and bleeding the coolant. Many new vehicles recommend vacuum filling. Others have bleeder screws, and some simply require a spill-free funnel and letting the engine get up to temp. Any trapped air in the system will almost certainly lead to a comeback. That's all for today's tech tips. Remember, a successful water pump job comes down to attention to detail and choosing parts that offer OE flow with aftermarket value. For Motor Age, I'm Noah Nelson. Thanks for watching.